given the kids each a outline of a hand, which has come really from the Mzansi logo of the project, which is 2 handprints, and using that as a kind of template, they're filling it with African patterns and colours. We've given them lots of African masks, fabric and colour photocopies of all sorts of different types of pattern, and they're filling their hand outline with those. We've got some amazing examples, and the kids, once they get started, once they get going, they really seem to be getting into it. I think it might become part of a bigger display. It may be something we get other groups of children to do as well, and perhaps make a massive display of all these coloured hands for the project to display at some other time perhaps.